Good morning, dear children. Welcome back. In today's session, we are going to learn about PowerPoint. This is chapter 5 in your book. Come children, let us learn. Dear children, what is PowerPoint? Yes, it is a presentation software, a program which will help you to present your data or present your project. Now, it is part of Microsoft Office package. We have learned Word, Excel, and PowerPoint also comes under the package of MS Office. Now, let us see how to create a presentation using PowerPoint. Click on the Start button and go to Microsoft PowerPoint. You get a screen as shown. And you can type the title, Parts of Computer, and you can type the presenter's name, presented by. Here I am typing my name. Now what you have to do is go to new slide. There are formats are given there. You just click on new slide. A new slide will be created and you can type the heading. Just like that you can type, it will come automatically as bold. And you can see it is given in the form of list, a bulleted list. The parts of computer are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Now we will go to next slide. Insert slide, new. Here we are going to type about the monitor. You type it as an output device. Output device is one which will display the output to the user. Now I want to insert a picture. Go to the insert menu and click on the picture. If you have saved any picture, you can choose from that. In case you have not saved, you can go to clip art and type there. I have typed computer, and you can give the search and you can find so many pictures of clip art having the computer. And I choose one which is shown there. Just click on that, it will be automatically displayed on your monitor. Just increase the size. And now we will save it. Go to the file menu and give as save. It will ask you to save. You type the name and give save. Now this is very bland, very plain one. You can see how it is displaying. I went to show slide. Now I want to change the format, how it is going to look. So many default formats are available. I can choose any one of my choice. See, many are there. I choose this one. Save it and give show from the beginning. This is how you have to do your PowerPoint slide. Okay, children? Now let us learn what is an animation. A-N-I-M-A-T-I-O-N, animation. Children, it is the ability to move objects in a slide without direct intervention during a presentation. That is, the user, when they are going to present the data, they are not going to do anything. It is going to be done automatically. That is known as animation. Cartoons you see, isn't it, are full of animations. The next thing we have to learn is transition. T-R-A-N-S-I-T-I-O-N, transition. It is an effect to move a slide without direct intervention during a presentation. You are going to move a slide. Did you understand the difference between animation and transition? Animation is the ability to move the objects in the slide. An object could be the text you have placed or the picture you have inserted in your slide. That is known as animation. Whereas transition is to move the slide without the intervention during a presentation. Now let us learn about animation. You go to PowerPoint and go to animation and select the part which you want to animate, and different options are available. You can choose. I am choosing here bounce. You can see the effect there. It is bouncing. You go to slideshow and you play the slide and you can see the effect of the parts of computer. It is getting bounced. That is an example of animation. Now let us learn about transition. Go to the options transition and you can find different options are there. Here I am choosing ripple, and you can see the effect, ripple effect, and you give apply to all so that it is applied to all the slides. You try to play the slide from the beginning, and you can see the slides are appearing as ripples. You can also find the animation which we done for parts of computer. Next slide is going, and you are seeing the ripple again. Now we will see how you can animate the slides, how you are able to animate your slides. There are three methods to animate your slide. First one is animation scheme. The second method is custom animation, and the third one is slide transition. I repeat, animation scheme, custom animation, and slide transition. These are the three ways in which you can animate a slide. Dear children, it is now time for us to learn about the animation scheme. Animation scheme is a basic animation for any selected object. An object you are selecting, it could be a picture or it could be a text you have typed. And the basic animation can be done by the use of animation scheme. First, what you have to do is select the slide you want to animate. In the task pane, click on the down pointing arrow and select slide design animation scheme. In the slide design, you select the animation scheme, or in the slideshow menu, choose animation scheme. Dear children, you can use different types of schemes to animate an individual slide, or you can give apply to all to apply the same animation to all the slides. Once applied the scheme, you can click on play or slideshow button to view it. In case you didn't like it, you want to remove the animation from the slide, you can choose select no animation. So children, what you have to do is you select the slide, and in the task pane, click on slide design animation scheme, or in the slideshow menu, click on animation scheme and choose the type of scheme you want to apply to individual slide, or if you want, you can apply to all the slides. In that case, you should press apply to all. You can see what is the effect by clicking on play or clicking on slideshow button. Dears, the next one is custom animation. Custom animation is like you can add the effect, set the speed and direction, and animate objects on your own. Example, how words or graphics enter a slide or how they exit the slide. In order to do that, you have to click on slideshow menu, go to custom animation. In the task pane, click on down pointing arrow and select custom animation. Next step is to click on the text or image that you want to add the effect to. When you click on that, you will have the add effect button that will be activated. And click on the add effect button and select the effect such as entrance or exit, box, emphasis, etc. If you don't like it, you can remove the effect applied on the slide by clicking the remove button. Dear children, do you know you can create games using PowerPoint? Not only games, you can make simple movies and games by using PowerPoint tools like the animation and transition, and by adding sound. One game is already made and it is easily available in net, that is Jeopardy. It is a game that is developed by using PowerPoint. Assignment time, dear children, small assignment for you. Complete page number 71, tick the correct answers, questions 1 to 4, and a small puzzle is given in page number 73. Complete both of that in your book itself. With that, we wind up today's session, my dear children. Please subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/Samacheer Kalvi Guide. Thank you. Stay blessed.